How to create a Lenovo account. Now in order to create a Lenovo account in 2026, you just simply need to open any of the browser that you use and after that search for Lenovo in there. And after searching for Lenovo, this lenovo.com option is gonna appear in the very top. Just simply open the website of lenovo.com. Then after going in this page, you will get to see a bunch of options. In order to create an account, tap into these three bars from the top left corner. Just simply tap into that and then you will see the option of login/sign up. Tap to login/sign up and then in order to create your account, you just simply need to either enter your email address or Google account or Facebook account in order to create an account in Lenovo. Just simply pick any of the option that is suitable for you. Easiest one is to select a Google or Facebook account. Just simply tap into any of those and then select your Google account or Facebook account which you would like to use in order to create an account in lenovo.com, and then the account will be successfully created in Lenovo. This is how you can very easily create an account in Lenovo. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.